Hi there, welcome back to a gentle yoga flow practice. All you need is a yoga mat and an intention to flow with me, and probably a wall to have a support. So, without wasting any time, just sit up right next to the wall and make yourself comfortable. Keep your spine straight in its neutral position and close your eyes if you haven't already. Breathe and try to focus on your inhalations and exhalations. Center yourself with your breathing pattern and allow yourself to feel the breath. Stay quiet, aware, and once you take 5 to 10 rounds of breath, gently make some movement, open your eyes. Now to begin with, inhale, raise your hands above your head. Hands comes together. As you exhale, hands comes to your chest. Inhale back, exhale back to chest. Inhale. Look at the space in between your thumbs and breathe nicely here. Stay gentle with your spine. Breathe in and out. Gauge at one place, and as you exhale, bring your hands to heart center. Again, keep breathing. Hold up there, and then exhale. Now place your left hand over the yoga mat, elbow down, and extend your right hand to the side. Look away from the armpits on the right side and keep your hips, your sit bones light over the yoga mat. Breathe nicely. As you exhale, change your side to the right side. Extend left hand and breathe really well. Breathe in and out. And then exhale, release. Now from here, bring the right toe over the left knee and use your right hand to bring down the right knee up and down to warm up your hips. Keep the sit bone grounded over the yoga mat. Again, change the side, left foot over the right knee. Use left palm to bring the left knee down and go up. Now from here, sit up straight in Dandasana, extend legs in front of the body. Keep toes pointed towards you, chin parallel to the floor. Take your hands, make a feast, and start pulling the hands up and down as you are trying to pull a rope. Breathe in, breathe out. And every time you try to do it little better than the last pull, as if you are trying to bring the rope up and down. Do it 10 rounds from each side. And after that, fold the right knee. Bring the right knee up and hold the right thigh. Hold it up there, use your core, and then slide back. Fold the knee, extend, bring towards you, extend outside. Do the same from the left leg. Fold it up here. Breathe in and out. Every time you inhale, bring the knee close to your body. Exhale, extend the leg. And then eventually extend both the legs. Now fold the knees, bring them close to your chest. Now hold the legs and try to balance yourself. If comfortable, release the knees and hands to the sides of the knees. Toes pointed out up. Exhale, release. Now bring both the feet together, grab the big toes and extend the leg and hold Navasana boat pose. It is completely okay as a modification to keep knees bended or hold the thighs if you have to. Exhale, release. Now extend the legs in front of the body again. As you inhale, raise your hands above your head and exhale to Paschimottanasana. Grab the big toe or hands over the shin bone. Keep knees bended for the better ease and comfort. Head could be looking forward and then exhale, release. Now right foot goes next to the left knee. Twist towards the right side. Extend. Breathe in and out. And twist to the right side, keeping the left foot active towards you. Hold and breathe. And as you exhale, look forward and release the pose. Now fold the left leg and this time twist towards the left side of the spine. Breathe in and out. And then exhale and release. Now from here, come on all fours. As you inhale, look up. As you exhale, curl your spine. Inhale, look up. Exhale, curl your spine. Inhale, look up. Exhale. Inhale, extend your spine. Exhale, look at the navel. Continue for 4 to 5 rounds, and after that, as you inhale, lift your knees up in the air and make a V shape in downward facing dog from your body. Hips are facing towards the ceiling and start paddling your one knee at a time while keeping the arms strong and grounded. Now fold the left knee. Hold it up there, extend. Continue practicing. Look in between big toes or at the navel. And then exhale. Fold the knees and hold it up there in bear hold. And after a couple of rounds of breath, exhale, you lower down your knees and sit upright in Vajrasana. From here, come on your fours and then lift off your knees again in bear hold. Breathe nicely. Exhale, release. Now again come on all fours. Again lift off your knees and hold it up there. Use your core, engage it, and then eventually get into downward facing dog. Breathe nicely. Hold the downward facing dog. And then with the exhale, gently lower down your knees. And start sitting up in a Malasana, where your hips are lowered, both the toes are pointed outwards, hands at the heart center, chest open, and try to lower down your hips to best of your capabilities. It's a low squat, and where you can go as low as possible is the best. Hold and breathe. And then from here, lower down your hips completely on the yoga mat and sit upright in butterfly pose. Bring both the toes together, sole of the toes, and bring it close to your groin. Lower down the knees on the sides. Grab the soles and keep your chest open. Sit up straight and breathe in and out nicely. Hands over the heart and belly. You can use wall here to sit up next to it and have a more supported, more aligned, yet very gentle, more effective butterfly pose. Hand could be wherever you want to keep them, over the knees or at chest and belly. As you breathe in, you feel your belly comes out. As you breathe out, you feel your belly is going in. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Put your entire focus on your breathing and let your entire body feel relaxed and rejuvenated. Breathe in and out and feel the deep stretch in your entire body. Feel all the subtle changes which might have occurred through this practice. Little discomfort and a lot of ease. Feel it all and continuing to focus on your breath. And whenever you feel ready, start rubbing your palms and gather all the energy, hands over the face and arms, and eventually make some gentle movements and open your eyes, and you are all set to end your practice here. If you have liked anything about this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, keep practicing. I will definitely see you in the next video. Until next time, bye bye.